Chris Brown, Drake, and Rihanna will come face-to-face at the 2012 MTV VMAs. Hey everybody, I'm Stephanie Bauer for Holly Scoop. This threesome knows how to bring the drama, at least that's what we're hoping for when the VMA Awards go down on September 6th. Rihanna, Chris Brown, and Drake are all expected to attend the live VMAs in LA. A source tells Us Weekly the network set its sights on the trio after Chris and Drake brawled over Rihanna in NYC on June 14th. And it was a huge fight, causing tons of legal drama and 5 people getting hurt. It's likely things won't get physical on camera, but it will get awkward. Drake and Chris are both up for Best Male Video, and Rihanna even appears in Drake's nominated Take Care video. The source says MTV is hoping a fight breaks out because that's ratings galore. For more celebrity scoop, check out hollyscoop.com.
Watch your favorite videos wherever you are. Available as a free download for both your iPhone and iPad. Search Holly Scoop in the iTunes Store.